Construction's been a topic around the industry for as long as I've been in it. And we've looked at it a few times, at McStain. I've looked at it elsewhere, and I think what it always came down to was the issue of cost, right? And so, as you're looking out towards how you're going to build out a project, you're getting your bids together, you're evaluating those. The tricky part was always that the offsite solution, there was never a cost savings there, right? And from the builder's perspective, we know anytime we try something new, we're going to pay the dump tax, right? And so a lot of times, I think there's a hesitancy to really jump into the offsite construction unless you can see a true cost savings. And in all candor, I don't know that at a wide scale we're quite there yet to where we're able to get some of the labor concessions that you'd like to see from the crews. And just some of the other cost savings that I think, are to come, and there's the potential for, but in the early stages, it certainly isn't an obvious, cost savings to going to offsite construction. And so, the path we ended up, finally making the jump down was with Jeff and Simple Homes. I think that's a critical component that we sort of learned is, in order to make it make sense, you really needed to build a partnership with whoever it was that you were going to be framing with. And so that's what we did with Jeff. I mean, there's a relationship with Jeff and our company from many years old. And so as he started up his Simple Homes, we started having conversations. And I think transparency between organizations was key. We were pretty transparent with them about sort of what we had in our budgets for framing for the project that we're working together on. I think Jeff has done a great job on their end of being transparent with us on, here's what we're hearing from crews on labor costs, sharing material costs, all that sort of thing. And so, I mean, that was the first big hurdle for us as a builder, I think, to just even getting the process started, right? And making that commitment to, all right, we're going to build this project, we're going to build it offsite, we're going to bring panels in, and we're going to frame things that way. So, biggest hurdle to begin with. And then, of course, you get into the nitty gritty of, all the brain damage that comes along with any sort of construction, but any change in process is always going to introduce unforeseen issues. But, really from the builder's perspective, taking that first jump, figured out a way to make it pencil in your pro forma, and then just going down the path and working through the issues, seeing the benefits, and just being a part of the process.